Time now for our weekly Canine Coach segment, and this week he's talking about not only teaching your dogs how to swim, but how they can handle the water better. Take a look.
This morning on Canine Coach, we're going to talk about our dogs and swimming pool safety. You know, being we have a long summer here in South Texas, we get a lot of swimming done. Now, there's some rules and things to consider. Kern and Ed have beautiful water-style dogs. A Labrador is a very good swimmer. A Golden Retriever is a very good swimmer. But what you have to think about is pool safety. Some breeds cannot swim. English Bulldogs, they cannot swim. They go straight to the bottom. Some of your, let's say, Dachshunds, they can swim a little bit, but they run out of steam real early, so you have to be real careful depending on your breed. You don't want them to have an accident in the pool. Now, there are some safety things that we can think about out there. Small fences around that will keep the children out also, because you don't want young children getting in the pool. They also have an invention called the turtle. It was originally invented for children, and it's a small ingot that we put on the dog's collar. If that ingot gets wet, it sends a signal to a little alarm in the house and tells you that your dog is either fallen in the water or is in the water and they're not supposed to be, and these are great for persons on the island. Now, in this particular pool, great, there's three sets of stairs. When you do bring a dog to a pool and introduce them, make sure you show them where the stairs are. Praise them for coming out. Benefits also of having a swimming pool is my vet tells me it's really good on their skin. It does. It gives them a good little cleaning bath. My vet also says it's not harmful to drink the swimming pool water. So there's a couple of questions that might be asked. Now, Kern, if you'll come over and maybe toss the ball a couple times, Ed, maybe you'll toss something in there. Another benefit of this is dog exercise. Your dogs get to have a fun time in the water, exercising while they're getting clean, while they're cooling off. If you're having a pool party and you have a bunch of children over or persons who aren't used to swimming with dogs, do something and warn them ahead of time that the dogs might scratch them. Because if a dog swims up to you, you see how Sadie's doing the dog paddle right now. Well, she's going to scratch you a little bit with those feet. So we want to make sure we don't get scratched in the pool. It's a great activity, and this pool you're probably going to keep it here until December, right? Before it gets a little too chilly to swim.
It's heated, so we can go in anytime.
Look at these luckiest dogs in town all year round. Thank you very much for having me to your house for this. Thank you very much.
And remember, if you have a question for our Canine Coach, send us an email at news@KIIITV.com.